Hang on.
Oh. Hold on, have you got my penis? Get my penis.
No.
Get my penis.
Erica.
Go do that.
Erica. Okay, I've got it now.
Have you got it?
Yeah.
Sure.
I'm definitely.
Can I have it?
No,
I don't
I'm
believe you.
recording.
Oh. You're recording?
Yeah. Oh, let's lick it. Because Erica actually licked it.
Is Kieran pre-drinking as well? Yeah.
Who's he going to?
Whose house are you going to? Josh's.
Oh, awkward.
I know, Beryl. Auction it up, bitch! Ready, hold this. I'm gonna pick someone mad to me up. I'm totally carrying someone. No, we should do it and I should pick you up. You can't pick me up, I've gained weight. You're smaller than me though. I've gained weight, you won't be able to do it, love.
Go for it. Go.
No, we need to try.
Oh!
Oh. That's my bum challenge. I can't do it. You can't do it.
Not like that.
No. Okay, hold on. Wait for the next chorus.
Hang on.
Okay. This is how they dance and dancing. Are you ready? I'm being the man.
Okay.
I am a woman, finally. I'm a man.